Welcome to Joy Property Guide. Today we are showcasing you exclusive villa of Bestech Group, Bestech Ananda, situated in Sector 81 of Gurgaon. This is an exclusive villa community. There are two different sizes in this villa. One is 5480 and another one is 5840. Today we are showcasing you 5840 square feet. On ground floor you will have your lawn, kitchen, living and drawing different areas with lift and utility area. On first floor you will have 3 bedroom plus lawn, second floor bedroom plus 2 toilet plus terrace, and then your exclusive designed terrace. Aesthetically is designed. All rooms will have proper ventilations and sunlight throughout the whole day. This is your drawing dining area. Now we are heading towards kitchen. Here it is. Here is one bedroom with toilet attached. This is your kitchen. All wooden work is in place. Modular kitchen is there with a utility room. This is your lawn, backside lawn. From the stairs, the servant can reach to different floors. One bedroom with toilet. It's a huge area actually. Now we are heading towards first floor through stairs, though there is a personal lift is also included. Here is one bedroom. On first floor you will have 3 bedroom with attached toilet. Here is your balcony. amazing view. Glass partition is there. This is your second room, and right hand side there is another room. This is your balcony attached to the bedroom. It was the second one that I told you. Wooden flooring in 3 rooms here. All wardrobes are in place. AC is installed in all rooms. That is your running balcony. With a storehouse. Now we are heading towards the second floor. Here it is. This is your one bedroom. With attached toilet. With balcony here. Here is your designed terrace, properly maintained. I hope you have got complete idea of the society. This is your terrace. On top of it, The room that you have just seen, it's a storehouse, or you can make some other rooms as per your choice. And if you reach through the stairs, you will reach to the top floor or another terrace. So all spaces have been utilized very properly. And if you have a good budget and you're looking for a big area in good locations with 3-star security, probably this is the best option you can consider of. I hope you have got to know the villa properly. If you have any query, or if you want to visit the place, or if you have any requirement for any villas in Noida or in Gurgaon, you can give us a call on the given number. We will be happy to help you. Thank you.